Hey guys, it's me, Skylar Capri, and today we are going to be doing a simple get ready with me. So first off, I'm going to be straightening my hair, and this is the before and the after. So that is the straightened hair. And now moving on to makeup, I'm going to start with my Too Faced Peanut Butter and Honey palette. And the first shade I'm going to be taking is the shade Peanut Butter, and I'm just going to be applying this all in my crease, as you can see here. And this is just going to set as a really neutral transition shade so that it looks perfect in the crease and that all others will blend really nicely. So next up, also in the Too Faced Peanut Butter and Jelly palette, I'm going to be taking Bee's Knees, I think, and I'm just going to be buffing that into the crease. It is the darkest shade in the top corner. I apologize if that's the wrong shade. I think that's the one under it, but I'm going to be taking the darkest shade in the palette and just buffing it into the crease more. Next up, I'm going to go back into Peanut Butter with a flat shader brush, and I'm just going to be applying this all over the lid just so that it creates an even, nice matte look. All of these shadows in this look are matte, in case you were wondering. And then taking the top white shade, which is a cream with a bit of sparkle in it, I'm just going to be applying that into the inner corner. You can apply that, it doesn't really matter which one it is, but you can just apply that normal. And then I'm using the Ico Black Magic Mascara. This is for drama and curling, and I'm just going to be applying that, and I'm using the Peanut Butter and Honey palette as a mirror. Then, using the NYX lip liner in the shade Beige, I'm just going to be applying this to my lips as my lip liner, so it'll be set for my liquid lipstick. And I did speed some of these clips up so the video would not be as long. Then next, I am applying the NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick in the shade Push Up, and this is just a natural shade, and it looks really nice with the look, I think. And now on for the outfit. The sweater is from American Eagle, the jeans are from Hollister, and the boots are from Splash. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Bye guys!